Okay guys, so in this video we have another AI tool which is called Kling AI, and in this video we're not only going to do a walkthrough, but I'm also going to talk on how to actually monetize this. So I'm going to give you a few ways you could use this in basically any niche or even in just video creation, and how to make the most money out of it. Because I am a specialist in AI and I genuinely spend a lot of time on researching AI tools and doing all of that stuff. So you're in the right place if you want to start learning it. Okay, so you're going to go to Kling AI. So I'm going to let's walk you through the process. Kling AI, boom. Kling AI actually uses GPT-5 already, so that's really good. If you want a video on that, we can talk on all the updates with GPT. And yeah, so first you see there is this interface. The first part of this video is going to be just a walkthrough. You got this interface, you got creatives, or you got shorts. So you can already see, yeah, videos being created with really good quality, but this still looks like AI. Yeah, this doesn't look like AI. And these are the main differences you want to leverage. You probably want to have videos like this that looks way more of there's way more realism than in this one. I'm not saying this one is bad, but you get the point. So you can browse these images. Probably you have already seen like thousands of these, so we're not going to be breaking down how, whoa, this is super cool. Now let's actually go to explore, and here you have your follows. If you sign up, which I'm not going to do right now, you will have stuff you follow, but let's not go into that right now. You got videos, you got images, and you got shorts. So of course from images you can create and shorts or videos, but this is all the basic stuff. Kling AI actually works like basically like social media a little bit, because you can put likes here, but of course you have to sign up. But this can give you a few ideas, and boom, let's actually deep dive, because I see this globe. Let's deep dive into the money making machine. These videos, for example, you see this video, you could literally just put some text over it, and because it's a really interesting visual, it is a hook 100%. You can put some text over it, some storytelling that you can actually also create with AI, and boom, you have million views on just a simple video you created with 100% AI. Then we can go even deeper. You can actually create a make.com scenario, which would be pumping out and even posting all of the videos on its own, completely on autopilot. So if you're interested in that, I'm not sure if I posted a video on. Yeah, I did. I did a simple version in make.com that just gives you like a text, and it posts it on 3 social media platforms. But if you want the full process of this, you would have to use API keys through Make or through NADEN, and you would have a really good content printing machine. So then you can have like storytelling when it comes to some history. This would be again a million views video 100%, because of the good quality. And yeah, but you would have to of course have some AI voice talk over this. And yeah, then you can do even cars. This is really popular. You can just create cars and do edits on cars. You don't even have to go into real life to film a car, which is kind of crazy. Then you have some baby stuff that goes viral a lot. This type of stories with cats helping fishes or whatever. It's genuinely these 3 ideas I gave you, or whatever ideas I gave you, can make you 10K a month, easy just from one account. And you can, when it's fully automated, you can have like 10 accounts, can be making 100 grand a month just using AI. You may be thinking that, oh no, this is not true, because it just sounds so simple. It is simple. Money making doesn't have to always be the hardest thing ever. You don't have to be the next Elon Musk. You don't have to create the new like trends or whatever. Just follow the trends and genuinely leverage AI in video editing, because now I think video editing and automating processes is the biggest thing in AI for normal people, I would say. Of course, then you got way more complex things like facial recognitions or some other systems, but yeah, I think this is the best way for any beginner. And yeah, as I said, let me know if you want a more deep dive video on how to actually set up all of these systems. It would be probably a longer video, like hour maybe, but yeah, we can definitely look into it. And just simply how to actually generate images or videos. You just describe your prompt here. You can have like whatever, you know, you got some ideas. This actually uses DeepSeek right now. You can use styles, but yeah, we gotta sign up. But the styles would be like anime, realistic, or all of that. And yeah, here you can actually you have some settings. This is for the models and the frame. So yeah, you have everything and generate. It costs 4 credits, but we probably, yeah, we need to sign up, as I said. This is just a really quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I gave you some ideas, and yeah, see you in the next one.